First put your safety glasses on. Then you come over here and you pop this little thing out with this metal rod. You pop this little blade out. You take your little blade and you put it in the back of your project and you hammer it in with a little wooden mallet. When that's in like so, you push that back in and you tighten it up. By spinning this wheel right here, you tighten it up. You put it right around center. You put the height of this right about center, and you lock it in by using this lever here. And then you try and put it as close as possible without touching, and you give it a good spin to make sure it's not going to touch. And you lock that in. Now you come down here, and that is the off switch, on and off switch. You flip it on, make sure nothing touches, and then you flip it back off. Now you start with this little bit right here. When you do that, you turn it on, you get a firm grip on it, and rest your hand on the hand rest. You push in and out, and you go up and down to get it into a circle. Once that is done, once it is in a circle, you use this. It's a flatter blade with no cup dip to it. You go like that, smoothing it out. Then you get your sandpaper, you get a sheet of it, and you just go up and down sanding it until it's nice and smooth into how you want it. When you're done with that, you turn the machine. Put it down here. So you take your finish, a paper towel, and your cap, and you put the finish in the cap, and you dip the paper towel in the cap, and you have your wand, and you wipe it on there. And you do that for 3 or 4 coats.